Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to build the Lego Friends pet accessories van. So let's see what's inside. Okay, let's open this box. So we have about 3 bags of Lego and we have 2 guidebooks, very cute, and a little sticker over here as well. So let's make the dolls. So this is Alia and her clothes looks very nice and neat. I like it. So this is Alia. And so, okay, we have like 2 dolls in this set. So we have Alia and Nova. And we also have 3 pets. So we have Dango and Hopper and Pluto. Yeah, I almost forgot Pluto's name. But anyway, we have Nova, Alia, Hopper, Dango, and Pluto. Very cute. Okay, so now let's start building. So first, this one is not the van. So we've got some cute characters. So this is a dog bone character, and I think it looks so cute, doesn't it? You know, like in the what do you call that, the ice cream and balloon stand set I built recently. That one also had a little cute, not little, quite big actually, a popsicle character. And this one is a dog bone character. Looks very cute. So this is where you can see all the things, the accessories, like how much they cost. And we've got some cowboy hat and a really cute looking yellow hat and some accessories and a black top hat. Okay, so now we're going to start building this van. So there's a lot of cute details in this set. So first, this is a van, but it looks like a puppy. And then when the car goes forward, the tail also moves. And I think that's really, really cute. Yeah. So, okay, now we have to make some things. You know, when you're building cars, the beginning part is not so exciting because you have to like build the stuffs inside, you know. And oh, the thing about this set is that there's only one seat in the driver's seat. So, you know, we have 2 dolls, but only 1 doll can sit. So I don't know where the other doll is gonna sit. This set is for 6-year-olds, but actually when I was building it, it was a bit more tricky than I expected because we have to put a lot of things. Like when it's finished, it's actually quite small, but we use quite a lot of Lego pieces, I think. Yeah. Maybe I just feel like it's difficult because it's been a little while since I haven't built Lego. Like, I mean, about a week since I didn't build Lego. So maybe that's why I feel like it's difficult because it only has like 200 and something like that Lego pieces. So it's not a lot, right? Anyway, we also have a little, very little, very small cash register. And so, yeah, the part that I'm building right now, that's how we're going to make the tail move. So anyway, we have some lights at the back of the car, red lights and orange lights. Yeah, so now the van looks completely yellow color, right? So we have some side view mirrors as well. Now we're putting some a bit darker yellow colors. Not dark, actually, that is the normal yellow color. And the bottom color is like the light yellow color. So anyway, we've made some like the dog face on the front of the car. And now we're putting blue pieces. Blue and yellow, they're actually very nice together. Yeah, so now this thing is going to separate the driver's seat and the back seat. So the back seat is actually not really a seat, you know, it's very smooth and I think it's for the pets maybe. Anyway, we also made the ears for the dogs. And okay, this one, so there's like this thing that you can like pull and like pull it up or something like that. So you can make it come down or you can just pull it up, kind of like that, you know? So like if we pull it up, we can make it like open, kind of like a window, but kind of different. So anyway, there's also the dog logo. So if we do it like this, now it's covered, but we can also pull it up, then it's gonna be open. Okay, so there you go. We also have this dog logo on this side as well and put this orange thing. The orange thing is how the tail is going to move when the car goes forward. So the orange thing is a very important thing because that's what makes the tail move at the same time as the car. Okay, so now we're making wheels, but like I told you, putting wheels is really hard. I mean, plugging the wheels to the van is very nice, but plugging this black rubber and the white plastic is so hard. Your finger hurts so much. So anyway, also put some pink circles, and now put the tail, and ta-da, the tail moves. It's so cute, isn't it? It's really nice. You know, the tail moves. It's really like a puppy. And if you see underneath, this is how the tail moves. So as you can see, that orange thing is doing a very important job. Yeah, there you go. Looks so cute. Okay, so now we finished building this set, and I think it looks very cute. Actually, to be honest, it felt a bit tricky to build this set, but I think it's just what I felt, and that's not really true because I mean, it only has 200 pieces. How hard could it be? Like, if you build Lego for a long time, it feels very easy, but if you don't build Lego for about a week or more than that or something like that, it suddenly feels very difficult. So I think it's just what I felt, and it's actually not very difficult, so you could manage very easily as well. So now let's play with it. Okay, so Alia is walking with her pets, Hopper, Pluto, and Dango. And oh, hi Alia! Hi Nova! Oh, what is that? I'm selling accessories for pets. Wanna see? Oh yeah, sure, looks amazing. Yeah. Okay, so if I open the back of the van, oh wow, looks amazing. Yeah, I've got tons of accessories and I'm sure your pets would totally love it. Wanna try some? Yeah, sure. I think they love it already. I think this yellow hat would look amazing to Pluto because Pluto has yellow eyes. I think he's gonna look really cute. Oh my god, Pluto, you look so cute. You look like some a little kid from like kindergarten or something. I mean, the hat looks like a kindergarten hat. It's so cute. And how about Dango try this cowboy hat? I think he loves cowboy hats. Yeah, looks so cute. Oh my god, it's so amazing. It's so cute. Yeah, and how about Hopper? I think Hopper would like this flower decorations maybe. Yeah, they all look amazing. Yeah, it's so cute. Are you gonna buy these for them? Yeah, I suppose. I think they love it. I think they should have it. Yeah, I think so too. Okay, so I'll bring the cash machine. Wait a sec. There you go. Now you can pay over here, Alia. How much is it? Okay, so as you can see, if you see like the menu over here, for you the cowboy hat is the most expensive, and the kindergarten hat and the flower decoration has the same price. There you go. Thanks a lot, Alia. I think your pets totally love it. Yeah, I think so too. Do you want to ride? Yeah, sure. I think Dango is excited because he looks like the logo. Yeah, he looks exactly like the logo. I mean, same cowboy hat and similar looking dog. Yeah. Okay, now all the pets hop aboard. What about me? Unfortunately, Alia, you also have to sit at the back because there's only one seat at the front. Okay, sure. The back seems nice too. Yeah, nice and cozy. Can I close the door? No, I think it's better to be open. Yeah, I think so. It's quite nice in here. Yeah, and you know what, Alia? When the car moves, the tail also moves. Oh, really? That's really cute. It'll be nice to see the tail moving, but unfortunately, we can't really see. Oh, you know what, Alia? There's like a little transparent window behind you. And if you see through that, you can see the tail moving. Oh yeah, you're right. The tail actually moves. That's really cute. I think, yeah. This whole car looks like a dog. Yeah, that's right. It's exactly like that. You know, the tail actually moves quite fast. Yeah, so if the car moves fast, the tail moves fast, and if the car goes slow, the tail moves slow. Oh, I see. That's interesting. There you go. Thanks for the ride, Nova. It was super cool. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's really nice. Your van is super cool. Thanks, Alia. So now these are the ears, and if you see over here, so the front seat until like the back seat, it's all connected. Oh, I think that's cool. Yeah, I know. But if you ask me, I think the eyes are quite scary. So I think it would have been perfect if they made the eyes a bit more cuter. But I guess it's a car, so that's why they made it like this. And so this gray thing is also very important. So it's important because if there's the gray things makes the lid like don't fall. So that's how the gray thing makes the lid steady. So the gray thing is also doing a very important job. So everything in Lego, they have some like important things. There is no Lego set that is not useful. So everything is useful. I see. Thanks for the information, Nova. Bye, Alia. Bye, Nova. The tail is so cute. Yeah, I know. I think it's really nice. Oh, wow. The tail's so cute. Bye, Alia. Bye, Nova. Bye. I think you guys look so amazing. You guys look so cute with your new accessories. Okay, so today I built the Lego Friends pet accessories fan. It's a really cute set. I especially love the tail and the cute decorations. The accessories are so cute too. The yellow hat with Pluto is really adorable. So this is the end of the video and I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye. Bye bye.